If you're looking for something new to do with your cutting machine, such as Cricut or Silhouette, you're in the right place. Today we're making that super cute Arizona tee, and I'll show you how. In Cricut Design Space, please make sure that your design is mirrored. Then we're going to go ahead and read it like a stencil, pulling out all the pieces of vinyl where we want ink to go on our tee. I bought this SVG on Etsy, which is a really great place to find really cute designs. Go ahead and use transfer tape and cover your design, and go ahead and use a varnishing tool and varnish it. Then you're going to flip it over and pull the backing off. Going slow, making sure no pieces pull up, and if they do, go ahead and push them back down with your little tool. Next, go ahead and line it up and apply the vinyl to your screen. Varnish one more time and remove your transfer tape. You'll see on the collar of my shirt I have an Avery sticker, and in the top of my design I have a cutout of an Avery sticker. I use that to line up to make sure my design is as centered as I possibly can. I then get painter's tape and tape off the border around the outside where I do not want any ink to go. Once that's done and it's all squared away, I cover up that circle at the top and go ahead and apply my ink. Right here I'm going to do one quick pull over to pull the ink all the way across my design to make sure I have enough ink, and then I apply pressure right there and pull it across again. At the bottom of my arrows, it's a little bit on the light side, so I apply a little more ink and pull it over a couple more times. Now I zap it with a heat gun. You can cure your speedball screen printing ink with a heat gun 5 to 6 inches above your design for 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're done. This shirt is available for purchase on my Etsy shop, link in the description box below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer and respond to them there. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in this kind of thing, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!